It is getting harder and harder to find original art. With AI and machine learning, art is generated at an alarming rate, making it harder to tell what has been created by humans and what has been made by AI. I personally have nothing against it. I think that AI art won't just disappear. On the contrary, it will keep improving. As a designer, you have to be prepared for that. At the moment, we are seeing the rise of AI art generators, and it is no longer just a fight between DALL-E 2, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. We are seeing how popular software and platforms are using AI to improve their services. I have already introduced you to the AI feature in Canva and Photoshop, and now it's time to take a closer look at Creative Fabrica. For people who have never heard of Creative Fabrica before, then you should know this is a fantastic website where you can find almost anything you need for design creation. I'm talking about fonts, graphics, icons and other elements. They are still running the all access promotion where you can get access to all their assets for $1 in the first month. And what is best is that the most of the graphics and fonts on this website come with a print-on-demand license, so you can use these elements on all your designs you want to sell online. If you want to try this website, I have an affiliate link in the description of this video. If you use the link, I will get a small commission. Creative Fabrica is not only a website where you can find graphics or fonts, but they also have plenty of useful tools that can help you improve your design skills. One of the newest features is called Spark, and it is a simple text-to-image AI generator. You can access this feature by aiming at the main menu, clicking on the Tools section, and then clicking on the Create Your Own Designs option. This way, you are opening the Creative Fabrica Spark feature. The Spark is just another AI art generator where you type a prompt, which is a detailed text command, and then generator will create a unique image from the prompt. So let's try to generate some interesting designs from this simple text. The first thing you will notice is that this generator is used by a huge number of people and the image generation is slow. While you can speed up the creation by buying speed credits, it is not necessary. When the creation is finished, you get 4 images, and if you like some of these designs, you can click on the Publish button and then download this image with a full POD license. However, this is true only when you have an all-access subscription, because this feature is part of the subscription. That said, you can use Spark on Creative Fabrica for free, but you cannot download your creation until you become a paying member. That sounds fair, I think, and I like the fact that I don't have to pay for anything else. Yes, you can buy credits to jump to the top of the queue, but you don't need to. However, you should expect that the image generation will take some time. Another great thing about Spark is the fact you can easily find inspiration by using the feed options. If you follow someone on Creative Fabrica, you can click on the personal feed section and take a look at what they are creating with Spark. Or you can click on the community feed and get the latest inspiration from Creative Fabrica members. And the last cool fact about Spark is that Creative Fabrica is working on a model where you can get paid when someone will download your generated images. However, this is still a matter of months. Right now, you can test this new amazing feature, or you can use it to create interesting images with the help of AI. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want, let me know what do you think about Spark.